Hi guys, got a quick little tip for you today. I'm making a wheel here for this drill press. Anyway, when you're welding a butt weld or something like that on a thin section of metal, this is 1/8 inch or 14 gauge metal here. If you ever tried to weld something like that, you always get a burnout, or at least I do, always get a burnout crater at one end, at the end here. And I mean, you can start your weld here and let your cold lap fill in that burnout crater, but if you just take a little bitty coupon of steel and clamp it on there and run your bead and just run your bead all the way across and onto your coupon, then you don't have a burnout spot. And I'm just going to go over and cut this off the hacksaw and then dress it up with the grinder, and we'll be back in just a second. So here we are back from the grinder, and I got a little bit of cold lap right there, but the important part is here on the edge there's no blowout. Now this is going to be a hand wheel on my drill press here in the background for rapid advance, rapid retract. So I'm going to grind her off smooth and polish it out and all that. So I really didn't want a blowout here in a crater to catch my thumb on. So there you go. There's your quick tip. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a good one.
Watch for deer.
Drive safe and watch for deer.